Welcome to another video in our how-to series. In this video, we'll show you how to install the BE467 Schlage Control Smart Deadbolt. Schlage Control Smart Locks make property management more efficient, saving time and money, and installation is simple. Let's get started. Here's the tools you'll need. Start by checking the door preparation. Here's the components that came with your lock. Install the bolt first. Adjust the bolt length if needed. Both radius and square corner plates are provided. Change the faceplate if necessary. Secure the bolt. The bolt must remain retracted throughout the installation. Install the strike plate beginning with the optional reinforcement plate. This may require additional work to the door jamb but will ensure maximum security. Secure the strike plate. Attach the outside trim assembly. Route the battery cable over the bolt. Align the tailpiece with the slot and press the assembly onto the door. Clips will hold it in place. Secure the inside battery assembly. Orient the assembly with the cable connection at the top as shown. Route the battery cable through the slot in the inside assembly. Move the cam to the center position. Align the tailpiece and secure the assembly to the door. Failure to correctly orient the cam and bolt will result in reversed bolt operation and the potential for an unsecured door. Attach the battery cable. Orient the cable connector with the red wire at the bottom as shown and connect the cables. The connector only fits one way. Install the batteries as indicated by the markings on the assembly. When the batteries are connected, the lock will flash and beep 3 times, indicating that it's functioning and is now in construction mode, ready to accept a valid construction credential. Construction credentials are not included with the lock and purchased separately if required. Attach the inside cover. Orient the thumb turn with the longer side up and pointing toward the hinges. Align the tailpiece and secure with the screws provided. Test the lock. For added security, the outside thumb turn will spin freely until a valid credential is presented. Your installation is complete, and the lock is now in construction mode, which will allow it to operate from the outside with a valid construction credential or from the inside by turning the thumb turn. The lock is now ready to be captured and integrated into the Engage application for the facility. For more information, refer to the user's guide, download the Schlage Multifamily Resource app, or visit us at schlage.com.